and welcome back to Tsaishen. My name is Nev, and today we're going to be talking about the sell side of the escrow component. Now, we're going to go into our portfolio. We're going to see that we've done some stuff. We are in the escrow. If you haven't seen these videos, please watch some of the previous videos. They explain a lot of different things. We can even see that we actually have put in a deed. This is one of our deeds, as you will recall from the previous video. It's not a real thing, it's just a made-up thing for our example, and we're noticing that it's back to active now. And what happened is, it looks like that maybe there was an error in our deed, so you want to make sure that you do it accurately the first time around. But it looks like there was an error that was located. There were things missing that the buyer raised a flag on. So we're going to go in, we take a look, we're going to rework it, and now we're going to upload our deed. Okay. So we reworked the deed. We're going to click on upload. Of course, we can review it right now. We can say they found an error. I submitted stuff, right? So here's the new one. Confirm and upload. You want to make sure that you actually confirm and upload the right one every time, because every time you upload, there is a small transaction fee, a gas fee that Tsaishen doesn't charge, but the Ethereum network charges. So you definitely want to do it right the first time around, because you don't want to keep paying for these fees. Now you can see that the seller escrow is now closed. We can also see that the refunds are no longer permitted. We can see that we can withdraw after the unlock date. And we can see that this is what they're going to see. This is what the buyer is going to see. And they can see our little reworked deal. So this is a cool component right over here. Now the question comes in of what happens if the buyer doesn't actually confirm. It is accurate, time has lapsed, and so you're going to go into your escrow. You can see over here, you can click on the escrow, and boom, now withdrawals permitted. There's actually a button that shows up right over here. All you have to do is click on the withdraw. You will see that you will pay a small transaction fee, and you can click confirm, and next thing you know is funds successfully withdrawn. Congratulations on your sale. And now your asset is no longer your asset. It's showing up in the buyer's component, which we can actually quickly take a look at right now. So here we go. If we show up as a buyer, this is what we see. Buyer's out of escrow, you're out of escrow, and buyer now owns this property. So there you go. That's how simple it is to use the escrow services and what all different components within escrow mean.